Imagine uploading a book cover or layout designed with AI, and every time someone buys that book, you earn royalties. That's passive income in the USA, powered by creativity and technology. Start with AI design tools like Canva AI, Midjourney, or Adobe Firefly. These platforms generate unique book covers, illustrations, and layouts in minutes, perfect for USA creators aiming to stand out. Format your designs for Kindle Direct Publishing. Make sure your cover meets Amazon size requirements, and polish the interior layout with Kindle Create. This ensures your book is ready for USA readers. Publish your book on Amazon KDP, or sell your designs on freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Each sale becomes a stream of online income in the USA. Promote your designs using YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Showcase your AI-generated covers with trending USA hashtags to drive traffic and boost sales. This is how you turn AI book designing into money online in the USA. Create once, sell forever. Start your AI design journey today and unlock passive income streams.